how to use the geometry dash move trigger. So this trigger will move objects in any direction to any block. First, here's how it works. So let's say I want to have, here how to use levels. So I want to have this, but if you, it should like move up so that the player can pass, because normally you can't pass with it. So I want this move trigger to move it up. So here is how to move it up. First, this is what I want to move, okay? When you click edit and track, you can select it all in this manner. And click edit group. Give it the next 3 and add. Now remember what number the next 3 is on. For me, it's 1. Deselect it and go to your move trigger. Select it and click on edit object. You're gonna see all this, just don't worry. First, you want to see how much you want it to move up. So I want this to move 4 blocks up, okay? So you want to target the group ID with the same number as the group of the object that is moving, so 1. And then move Y, so every single block is 10. Which means if I wanted to move 4 blocks, it's 40. Move time, how long it will take to move, I'll keep it at 0.5. And touch trigger will make it so that I have to go touch it for it to activate. Without the trigger, if I just cross this line, it will activate. So now it should function correctly. Moves up, and there we go. But let's say I wanted to now to move what? I wanted to like move somewhere. I wanted to move down, okay? So for Y, if you want something to go down, you're going to have to select it. You're going to have to select it. Move trigger, this new object now. For Y, you have to make it negative. So I wanted to move negative 4 blocks. Oh, this is an underscore. Negative 40. So there we go. Now it should move it downward. There we go. Now, let's say this is an orb. So help me get there. Okay. But it needs to move away. So I want it to move to the right. So inside of that, we're gonna make it the X. So for the X, the right is positive and left is negative. I want it to move 4 blocks, so it's just gonna be 40 for the X to the right. Which will make it go to the right, and let me do that. Now, if I wanted to move towards me, let's say there's this. I want it to move towards me. I'm just gonna select it and make it negative 40 because it's going to the left. So like that, see, easy. Now there is one thing, you can actually make a combination of X and Y. So I want to, let's just make a new move trigger, because this will be different. I want this move trigger to go to this block to go to the right, okay? So this block, we're gonna see how much it needs to move. First, it needs to move down by 2 blocks. I think we can see that. So it needs to go negative 20y. And to go right, it needs to go 4 blocks to the right, which is 40 in X. Which means, give it the next 3 first. For me, the next 3 will also be 1 because there's nothing else you want. I delete it, and then move trigger, target group 1. The X, I said 40, and the Y should be negative 20. This will make that block go straight there. That's how it works.